going to do Python tuples. So Python tuples are like storage of data. Like suppose you have something in, like I'm taking an example of a banana, suppose like that. So Python can store this item's name which you wrote into a tuple so that it can print it out quickly. So there are some exercises in this presentation which I'm doing. So I'll show you them now. Change tuple values, which I've done. So we can change Python tuples like this. If we try to manually change them, like remove this banana and put it with this kiwi, then it won't work. I'm just taking kiwi. So it won't work like this because it will give you syntax error. So you are allowed to add tuples to tuples. Oops, wait. Okay, so I'm back. So like if suppose I want to put this banana and change it to kiwi, then what do you think it will come? Syntax error. So with this workaround which they have given, like if you keep x as this tuple and y1 if you put kiwi in, and then s x tuple y if you keep, it will print it and banana will not be there now. See, kiwi only. Next is add items. Since tuples are immutable, they do not have a built-in append method, but there are other ways to add items to a tuple like this, and you can see the result on the right side. So if we put this tuple, apple, banana, cherry, and we want to add another item, so we can use this type of code to what you say, add orange, like, and if you add it, it will come on the list. Alright, so next is add tuples to a tuple. Like there are two tuples and you want to put them together. So like this you can do. It's just very simple. But the orange now here is like a tuple. Alright, so over here, this result I didn't found out, so I have not kept it here. Remove items. Tuples are unchangeable, so you cannot remove items from it, but you can use the same workaround as we use for changing and adding tuple items. Like this tuple, if you put the apple, banana, and cherry, and if you want to remove this, the first item like apple, if you want to remove, then only banana and cherry will arrive. Okay. So next is create a tuple with create a tuple. Here. Okay, I was here. So we create a tuple with 3 elements and 6 length. So suppose I kept my tuple like this, range and chat and print my tuple. So this tuples which I've printed will come like this. The same thing if we have integers here and tuples with mixed data types. So these tuples having integers and all, why aren't they being printed here or anything? Because they have a hash here, which says Python not to print. Calculate the average value of the numbers in a given tuple of tuples using lambda. So lambda actually does like this. So the exercise is over here. So if you want to calculate the average value like this, you can use lambda something. Then you can return the result. So like this. And the answer will come like this. The ones without the hash, or if it's in a string like this, will be printed. Create the tuple and unpack its elements into different variables. Like this. Suppose you want to keep MNNIT Allahabad 5000 engineering. So there are a lot of hash-like sentences which Python is not printing anyway. But if you delete the hash, they'll be printed. Then you can unpack like this. So thank you and hope you like this video on Python.